Hero was driving along to take out water. Then Sir Topham Hatt drove up. "What are these coaches for?" asked Hero. "I'm glad you asked, Hero. You are to take these passengers to Wellsworth Station. Passengers are waiting there, and you must take them to my village. I'll be on board." Sir Topham Hatt was the first passenger on board. Gordon was hopping along the rails. Spencer, will you move out of the way? "Hold on, I'm broken down here." Gordon had to wait. Sir Spencer was fixed, and he was ready to race and rattle. Spencer hopped along the rails. Hank was on the same track. Spencer braked Spencer got too late. Hank started just in time, and then there was trouble. Spencer's wheels flew up the rails. Suddenly his tender flew by the wind and bashed off the tracks. Spencer was nearly hurt. Mine was on the same track. Yes. Mine and the workmen were on time. They fixed Spencer back on the tracks. Spencer's front wheels were almost on the tracks. "Woo! Woo!" said Polly. "That was really close walk." Molly wanted to take a rest, but she knew that she had passengers to take. Exciting.
Go.
"Help! Help!"
You guys got away last time, but not this time. I'm going to make sure this is over the very last time. Never again, and this must be the magic buffer. Oh no, what is this? Why is this car here in the way of the magic buffer? Why is there always something thwarting my plans? I'm going to get rid of you little steamies once and for all eventually. Just wait, you'll see. Hey, who's behind me now? What is this? I don't know how this is gonna work at all. Just then,
"You can take my way," said Hank.
Mavis came up real quick. "Diesel 10, what exactly do you think you're doing with that little engine?" "None of your business. I don't know that we want to have anything to do with you anyway. You're not so much of a good diesel." "I'd rather be the diesel that I am than the diesel that you are. So I want you to put down that little steam engine right now." Meanwhile, Hank chopped up. He was a big, strong steam engine, although a little clumsy sometimes. "What's going on here? Diesel 10, why do you have that little steamy in your claw? We know that you've been after Lady for a long time, and we don't think it's a good idea that you pick on little engines like that." "Listen, you, I don't know if I'm going to let this little steamy go or not." Just then, Henry chopped up.
"What's going on here?" And Mavis said, "Diesel 10 has Lady in his claw, and he doesn't want to get Lady out of his claw."
That's right. I'm never letting her go this time.
Let
I'm gonna
her
make
go!
sure I get to the buffers. before anybody else can stop me. Now, Mavis, be a good Diesel and move that car out of the way.
Actually, there's Murdoch inside him.
Murdoch? Where did he come from? How did he get over here?
He came from Philadelphia. Philadelphia. With his
And just
big
then,
engine.
Molly, having delivered her cars, chuffed up. Diesel 10 is doing this again? Yes, you'd better believe it. You steamies have had it this time. We think that we've had enough of you. Now you put down that little steam engine. Let her go right now. Yes, I think it would be a good idea. I'm getting kind of dizzy, by the way. You hear that? She's getting dizzy. Yes, and you're being very rude, too.
I think we've got you outnumbered. Even your colleagues describe you as being not so nice and don't want to cooperate, so we suggest that you put down the little steamy.
Well, you hear that? I think you're outvoted this time. So Diesel 10, surrounded by all of the other engines, had no choice. He had to put Lady down onto the track. Okay, you win this time. But next time, my little friend Pinchy and I will have a nice conversation with you. Okay, well, maybe we can have tea sometime instead. Tea? That's not what I meant.
Think we've had just about enough, Diesel 10.
Oh no, not again.